Hello. Today we're going to be looking at utilizing the Microsoft Windows inking tools as part of Microsoft Word. So to use these tools, you can open any Word document that you already have, or you can go directly to Word on your PC. Now I am using my touchscreen laptop with a stylus. You can also use your finger. And I am recording using Screencast-O-Matic. So from here, I can open a document so that it is recorded in Screencast-O-Matic. So I can open any Word document. And then I'm going to be using my drawing tools, which are a part of my Office suite and part of Word. So with this, I have my laptop folded so that my screen is flat, but I have taken it out of tablet mode. To do that, your taskbar down here, there's a little notifications symbol. If you're in tablet mode, this will be blue. And then to leave tablet mode, we tap it again and it turns tablet mode off. I like to be folded, but in regular or PC mode or non-tablet mode, because my interactivities are a little different when I'm in tablet mode, and I want my students to be able to see it the way they're used to as a part of their PC. So again, I am in Microsoft Word. I'm recording with Screencast-O-Matic, and I am using my draw tools here at the top. So I have options to a few different pens. There's 3 here that I can set by tapping. I can change the colors and the thickness, so I can have multiple colors available. There's also a pencil that leaves a graphite type marking to it, a highlighter, and then a magic pen that allows you to go through and create different changes and create words and things so that you're editing with that pen. We're not going to talk about editing with the pen today though, but that's what that magic pen is for. So today we're going to focus, I'm just going to use my blue pen, and we're going to do some math work here. The idea behind this is that you are reviewing with your students or showing them a new way to do an old concept or showing them a new concept. And you can come in and actually record yourself teaching this lesson as though you were in the classroom with them. The nice thing about Microsoft Word is I can write in my document, which I will do now. So I'm going to use my blue pen, multiply both sides by 6. So I get D equals 78. And then when I save this document, my inking is going to stay. So it will be as though I've done this problem for my students. I've recorded myself. They can watch the recording and see how I did this problem, and then they can begin working on the other problems. So this is available to them where they can see it and they can see the inking that has happened, but also you have now recorded yourself using Screencast-O-Matic and then can take them through the process. And they can watch this as many times as they need to. Or you can do several problems with them. Maybe you do the odds and they're going to do the evens. But working it out, whatever is best for your students at that time. To save this, you can file and save as a Word document and share it with them that way, or you can do file, save as Adobe PDF, and it will save this as a PDF that they can't edit, and you can upload it to Classroom or share it to them however you want, or if you need to add this to a packet because you have students who can't access the internet at this time, you can still have the steps here for them that you've already done the inking for, and they now have a PDF printed at home. So again, this was all done using a single Word document in Microsoft Word. The inking tools fall under your Draw menu. You can change colors and thickness by tapping a second time on any of the pens, and then you can save as a Word document or a PDF. This was all recorded using Screencast-O-Matic, which can be downloaded from your Software Center or directly from the Screencast-O-Matic website.